Greetings, fellow traders. Bob here. It's time for the lunchtime market update for Wednesday, July the 1st, 2020. I hope everybody's having a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. All right, let's take a look and see where we are in the market here today. So SPX up 22 points today. Woohoo! Starting the new month, the new quarter with some green. That's what I'm talking about. So it's a nice move there so far, right? Weekly chart, one more day left in the week because we have a short week this week. Getting really close to the inside week high, the prior inside week high. Let's see if we can get there. Daily chart making a nice move. Look at that, 3 green candles in a low so far. Let's see if we can fill this gap, right? There's an open gap right here at 31.27.12. Let's see if that can get filled. That'd be great. And then really would like to see it close over these highs right here and then start to attack this one going into the 4th of July. That would be pretty cool. So we'll see how that, but in the meantime, we are still in the trend box. Let's take a look at the SPY and see how it's doing here today. Okay, so SPY, same thing in the trend box, working its way up right here. Let's take a look at the intraday price action. So we just did a little bit of a long right here out of the 15 orb high, kind of scalpy type stuff because we haven't seen a lot of chop here today. We've been contained within the 15 orbs for a bit here. We did find some good moves at the open, and we'll talk about those in a little bit. Some of them are on the chart request too. So let's see if we can get that gap fill here on SPY. But again, nice move here out of the 15 orb high on that one. So good stuff there. Let's take a look. Let's look at the S&P futures. Let's see what they're up to here today. So this is great, right? So we have a lot of these particular zones that we like to use. So one, last night, remember we talked about these this upward trend line right here? This morning, right, we came right down to that right here at like 5:30 to 7 o'clock, and we bounced right off of it. Also was a nice rally zone right here, so we got a big boost off of that today. So they took a lot of the fun out pre-market, but you know, if they really want to, right, we could see a potential symmetrical move on this one if they really wanted to go crazy on this one, right, and really frustrate the bears. But you got to move right here. Right? If it really wanted to get up to this signal zone up here. Imagine if we closed at 31.40 today. That'd be pretty impressive on the S&P futures. But anyway, in the meantime, let's before we get there, we did hold that. We have a nice bounce off of this one. Let's see if we can get up to these levels. Next kind of area of resistance is 31.20 level. So let's see what happens there. Let's look at the MES. Let's see how it's looking here today. Again, nice 15-hour breakout on this one. It does look like a kind of a horizontal flag type breakout, which we really like that 15-hour breakout on that one this morning. So good stuff there. So let's take a look at the Qs. So pretty interesting, right? So the Qs were a little bit sketchy here at the open, right? They gave a, they kind of moved up a little bit. They gave a nice pullback right here, double inside 15 down, so gave a nice move there, and then they held the 15-hour blow and then worked their way back up again. So nice reversal off of that one. The IWM, struggling. Okay, we're seeing some struggling here. Some of the banks are doing pretty weak right here. So it did hold its pre-market lows right here and gave a bounce off of that, but it's still below its 15-hour blow, which is a little bit ominous for that one. Let's take a look at Apple. So Apple's doing okay. It's hanging in there today. It's really tight, really coiling type moves right here. Let's see if it can get out of its 15-hour high. But in the meantime, it's not, it's just kind of chopping around, making it tough to day trade, but definitely hanging in there overall on the daily chart. Let's see at Tesla. So up 42 points today as well, right? We talked about this. Look at this, this beautiful continuation of that triangle we talked about last night. Nice breakout here this morning. A little bit of a bull flag here pre-market, right? And give you a nice pop pre-market right here, pennant right here. Right, and then a pop here, and it's still holding its 15-orb highs on Tesla. So beautiful stuff on that one. Beyond, I think the 1,200 calls we were looking at, I think have far exceeded $5 right now, which is, we looked at them 2 days ago at 70 cents, which is great. Beyond had some good news this morning, but I tell you, they always seem to pull back off of their this same old news that they keep on selling stuff to China. So it's like, cool, good job, and have a nice day, and it goes back down. So let's see how that one goes. It's really rough on the daily chart right here. So gave a big gap up and a huge upper shadow. So we'll keep an eye on that one. And then let's take a look at Netflix, guys. Look at this one. Incredible. Up 22 points today. All-time highs. Incredible candle. The volume's already higher than yesterday's. And just clearing all these levels right here. So we're definitely going to watch this one. We got earnings coming up in about 2 weeks. So a little bit of a pre-earnings run here, I suppose, after this consolidated pull. A couple pullbacks here to the 50 EMA. I love this bounce off the cloud. Now, the only thing I didn't like was the volume the last couple days, but it's finally coming right here. So let's see if we can follow through in that one into tomorrow and on the over the 4th of July weekend. So good stuff. We got a few chart requests out there. Let's take a look at Square. SpongeBob SquarePants right here. Really strong stuff on this one too. Members pointed this out on the live stream. I was too late to catch it, but it was a great move right here and gave a fantastic push through there. And as I continue to work its way up, one retest of the 15-hour high, corresponding with the 80 MA right there, and then working its way up there. And then Amazonius, let's take a look here. So Amazon up 78 points today, looking pretty good there as well. Again, these Netflix and Amazon are really just kind of carrying the Qs here this morning. So a big move there. Again, these really tight moves back to our trend lines, right? Can give some explosive moves to the upside. So really, really nice stuff there on Amazon. Let's take a look at Piton. Wow, Piton, super strong day. Look at that. Took out the all-time highs. Now let's see if it can actually close with a strong candle with some volume as opposed to leaving us at an all-time high with an upper shadow. So, but nice move on that one on Piton. So good follow through on that. FSLY. We like it. We love it. We want some more of it. So inside day yesterday, we broke above that here. So let's see if we can continue to push on that one to get to all-time highs on FSLY. The pot sector was strong this morning. So CGC had a decent move right here. Inside day up, doji sandwich up on that one, and a nice move at the open. We pointed that out with our sector strength this morning. And then lastly, let's take a look at Boeing. So Boeing, again, struggling here today as well. This was on our short radar too. Again, inside day yesterday, failed to break it to the upside. Right, we actually went long on this one this morning for a little bit. We got a nice little spike on this once we broke out of that inside day range. So yeah, a good 10% move, something like 10-12% out of there. And good thing we took profit on it because it pulled back in right here, double inside 15 down on that. So it's kind of hanging out below at 60 anchor level right now. So good stuff. All right, guys. Well, I always appreciate the chart requests. I hope everybody has a great rest of your trading day. We'll catch you guys at the market wrap and then later tonight on the free YouTube live stream on the Bubble channel. Be sure to subscribe and click notify so you can join us there and where we go over technical ideas and chart requests. So looking forward to seeing you guys then. Stay healthy out there and remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. And I'll talk to you guys.